Here are 3 bizarre yet fascinating facts you probably didn't know. Walter Frederick Morrison, the inventor of the Frisbee, loved his creation so much that after he passed away in 2010, his ashes were turned into a commemorative Frisbee, a fitting tribute to his iconic invention. Meanwhile, tarantulas have an incredible survival superpower. They can go up to 2 years without eating any food, thanks to their slow metabolism and ability to conserve energy. And then there's Charles Osborne, who holds the record for the longest hiccup attack ever, lasting an unbelievable 68 years from 1922 to 1990. These strange but true stories remind us how weird and wonderful our world really is.